Today you will learn how to send money through Zelle if you are a Citibank bank customer. We will do a tutorial from the bank application. We will do it step by step so that you can learn it easily and quickly. If by watching all this video, you feel that we have helped you, please support this video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel, where every week, we teach you how to send money with applications. Zelle is a fast way to send and receive money with your cell phone. You don't need the other person's account number. How does Zelle work at Citibank? Download and install the latest version of the Citibank Bank mobile application. You must be a bank customer in order to log in. We recommend having the recipient of the shipment added to your contact list so that everything is easier to do. Zelle is a free payment system that is incorporated into the vast majority of American banks, so all its customers can use it for free. Citibank offers you to use Zelle for free. Once you have installed the Citibank mobile application, you have to log in. If you do not have the access data, such as the user's ID and password, you must contact the customer service and request your data access. We introduce our IFRAM and password. Then we press this button. We have already logged in, and here we see our Citibank bank accounts. This is the main screen of the app. To be able to find the Zelle service and create an account, we click on the Payments button. Here you see several options, but on the right we can see that Zelle appears. Click on that option. Here's a presentation on the Zelle service, explaining the benefits and more. We press this button. Later, we have to read the terms and conditions of the contract, and if we agree with it, click Accept. Then this window will appear, where first we have to choose the contact method, that is, we click here, and the email and cell phone number that we have associated with Citibank appears. We have to select which of them we want to use in Zelle. For this example, I will select my email. Then down here, we have to choose which bank account we want to use in Zelle. For example, if you have two Citibank accounts, a checking account and a savings account, you have to choose which of them you want to use to send and receive money for Zelle. Very well, once we have chosen the email or cell phone number and the bank account that we will associate with Zelle, we click on the Continue button. In the next window they inform us that they want to verify our identity. For this they have to send us a code in the email or in the cell phone number. It depends on which one we have chosen. We click on this button below, which means Send Code. Here they tell us that they sent us the code to our email. You have to check your inbox and write the code received in this section here. Then you must press the button that says Next. This message confirms that we have successfully verified our identity and that as of this moment, this email is associated with our Zelle account. And with this, we have successfully completed the creation of our Zelle account at Citibank. Now we will teach you how to send money for Zelle. We will show you how to do it from scratch. If you want to send money, you just have to log into the Citibank application with your ID and your password. Here is your account summary, but remember that to locate Zelle in this application, you must click on Payments. Here we have several options available, but the only one that interests us now is Zelle, so we click on this option. We already have the account created, for which directly we already see the options to send and request, among others. But today we will teach you how to send money. We click on Send. Then, in this section we can search for the contact we want to send money through Zelle. That is why I recommend that you add the person who will receive the payment to your cell phone contact list. Write their name here, select it, and that's it. We automatically go to the next window, where what we have to do is enter the amount of money we want to send. We press where the zeros are, then the cell phone's numeric keyboard opens. There we can write. For this example I will write $50. This is where our bank account appears from where these $50 that we will send will be debited. Below, for this sector, we can choose the date of the transfer. We click here, and a calendar opens. We select the date of today, or the day on which you want this shipment to be made. For the sector you can add a basic note, which describes the reason for the transfer. You can put something like, money for food, for the school fee, a gift, and so on. Once everything necessary is completed, we click on this button. In this window the data that we have recently provided is detailed. We recommend you check one by one to make sure not to err in any data, especially in the amount that we will send and the recipient of the shipment. For example, here it says that we have put $50, which is correct, and the recipient is Jan, which is fine, as we have chosen. After carefully verifying everything, we press the Send button and waited a moment. That's it, we have just successfully sent the money through Zelle, through the Citibank bank. You can take a screenshot to have proof that the transfer has been made successfully. However, they will send you an email with the details of the transfer. Always remember, Zelle is free, one of the best ways to send money in the United States. It is also a safe service, but in any case, the main recommendation is that you never send money to people you do not trust. The service is exclusively for sending between family and friends. Have we helped you? Please, support this video with a like. We also invite you to subscribe to this channel, where every week, we teach you how to send money with applications. See you in the next video.